Okay, a small animation related to arc welding. Here, arc welding. Okay. So we know that in arc welding, we are having one electrode which is generally connected to the negative terminal and another workpiece connected to the positive terminal. Why connected to the positive terminal workpiece? Because more and more heat we want on the workpiece or to melt the workpiece at higher rate compared to the electrodes. So here to transfer each amount of heat on the workpiece. What are the different parameters? We are having parameters V voltage, I, and H is a function of S, speed of the electrodes. So this is the expression of getting the H value, how much amount of heat we will get on the workpiece. So in this diagram animation, so when you look here, when you are adjusting the voltage, corresponding H value will change according to the relation H is equal to VI into 60 upon S. S is in uh, mm per minute. So we have converted to the second. So when you are decreasing the voltage, see the H value is decreasing, and when you will see the animations, smaller amount of heat is transferring to the workpiece. Similarly, when you are increasing the V voltage slowly and slowly, when you are going up, the H value is increasing. Currently 1320 is the joule per mm is the value. Now again you are increasing the H. See, the density of H value is increasing on the workpiece. Okay. Now similarly, H is proportional to I. When you are decreasing the I value, the smaller amount of heat is getting transferred to the workpiece. Now you are increasing the I value. When any operator is increasing the I value, ampere, so more number of electrons is getting transferred to the workpiece, so more melting zones will be found on the workpiece. So generally this operation is needed for the thicker workpiece to be welded. Okay. Now the next third parameters which affect the H value is welding speed. When you are increasing the S speed, see, this electrode is moving up and down depending upon the experience of the operators is get controlled. Okay, because nowadays in modern technology, this electrodes up and down movement is being automatically controlled to better get the welding quality. Now when you are increasing the welding speed, see the electrode is moving frequently up and down, and since this S value is inversely proportional to it, lesser amount of melting pool is getting found on the workpiece, and corresponding lesser amount of H is getting absorbed on the workpiece.